So here we're going to look at the plugin list. I'm going to pick Scholar AI, which gives you up-to-date studies on different scientific research. I'm going to want to create ad copy and an ad video, kind of like a VSL. Let's go click those on and let's go ahead and type in a little context. I'm trying to sell a collagen supplement for new moms. Give me, research on it to take data into an ad to help sell as a campaign for my collagen supplement. First, you can see here that it's giving me some data on collagen. Then the plugin, it's going to actively find research on collagen and how it's beneficial to a new mom or to anyone. So it's going to give me a few studies that have actually been done on collagen. Phenomenal. I'm still amazed how it does this. And then it's going to ask me, hey, do you want to start running ads? Are we good with this information? Cool, yes, we're good. This is great information. ChatGPT-4, a couple new plugins are gonna take that information and turn it into ad copy. With RoboAd, it's gonna give me, a few different ads with the headline, the title, the copy, the call to action, everything. And then what it's gonna do is gonna go ahead and go to this other plugin called Visla, and it's gonna create a VSL for me. It's gonna take all the information and automatically input it into a video with stock footage, with music, and a call to action. Now, you can go into Visla and change some of the footage. If you want to put your actual product in there visually, you can do that. But look how it's just creating a video. It's insane, guys.